Hello, everyone. My name is Christy Kim from Lifetime Realty, and today we're diving into the world of Instagram lead generation for real estate agents in 2024. I've created a 6-step strategy to turn your Instagram into a lead generating source. Now, even if you're not actively using it for leads, having a polished profile is still important, and it's not required to do all these steps. However, if you're serious about Instagram leads, consider using all 6 strategies for maximum impact. And important note, your Instagram profile needs to be public for this to work. Okay, first step is setting up digital tools and systems for your Instagram. The first one is Linktree. This is a free online hub that keeps all your contact info, websites, and social media links organized. And it's a one-stop shop for potential clients, and it even tracks profile views. Next to consider is ManyChat. It automates responses based on trigger words. Now, while I wouldn't recommend it starting out because the responses can feel robotic, it can help manage high volumes of messages later on. Finally, we have Meta Business Suite. You could schedule Facebook and Instagram posts for free for a streamlined workflow. But remember, scheduling is just half the battle. Don't post, then ghost. We want to keep engaging right after the post goes live. Before posting, you must build your brand, and this applies to all businesses, not just real estate. First, you have to ask yourself these key questions. For brand core, what is your brand's purpose? What do you hope to achieve in the long run? What principles guide your brand's actions? For target audience, who are you trying to reach with your brand? What are their needs, wants, and demographics? For brand personality, what kind of emotions do you want your brand to evoke? How do you want your brand to sound like in its communication? Once you have a clear understanding of your audience, craft your brand identity. This includes your logo, color scheme, and fonts. Creating a strong brand identity builds trust and reliability that leads to a loyal fan base. If you need some inspiration, you could check out luca.com, Pinterest, or creativemarket.com. So this is an example I found through Canva. Their brand name is Think Unlimited. This is their logo, and then this is the color variations for the logo. These are their color schemes. And this is the font, primary typeface, secondary, and subtext. These are the names of the fonts. It's not a real brand, but from their brand identity, I would assume that it is a tech app just based off of their brand identity. The next step is your Instagram profile. Think of your profile as your online resume. Every post and every word connects back to your brand identity. Use your logo or headshot for your profile picture. So not your username, but the name category. Type in your name and plus your job title. For example, my name is Christy Kim, and I would put real estate agent. So anyone searching real estate agent in the Instagram search bar has a better chance of finding you versus someone who doesn't have that job title. Next is the link. You could link your link tree, your website, or both. Instagram allows you to add more than one link. So for your bio, let's optimize SEO keywords because your profile shows up in Google searches. And if fitted, you could use emojis. Craft 4 clear lines and keep it short because Instagram limits how many characters. And the format could follow this if you would like. First line is who you are. Second line is your experience. Line 3 is your goals. Line 4 is the call to action describing your link. So for example, I have an arrow pointing to the link, book a consultation with me. So over here, organize your story highlights, and you could actually update the cover photo if you would like to match your brand. And you can make any highlight category as you want. So for my example, I put market updates, Q&As, this or that, which is a popular type of poll question, just listed, sold, customer reviews, and then anything that relates to California living, since it does tie to Orange County real estate expert in luxury homes. So over here, pin 3 compelling posts showcasing your best work or anything that delivers your message. So I put the example about me, career highlight, and then what I'll do for you. These are the first 3 posts that people see, so make it count. Then remember, your content attracts followers, but your profile convinces them to hit that follow button. Great content can go viral, but a weak profile won't convert those viewers. That's why it's key to know your ideal client and tailor your content to their needs. So next is engaging with your audience and building rapport. We'll briefly talk about engagement because this topic would need another workshop. So when posting, consistency is everything. So pick a regular posting schedule based on your Instagram analytics. Focus on high quality content, especially reels with captivating hooks. Those are popular. Explore trending topics, and you could do that on Google Trends or Answer the Public. Then be sure to make posts about anything local in your farm and tag that business. Then next is to follow everyone. Follow your friends and family. Follow past, present, future clients, vendors, partners, other real estate agents, local contacts, and your target audience. By building your network, you increase your chances of getting noticed and gaining new followers. We'll briefly talk about capturing leads as well. My next workshop, I will show you exactly how to do the following points. So if you're interested, look out for that. To capture leads, engage everywhere. So comment and DM on posts and stories. Then for stories, make them interactive by using video responses, quizzes, polls, Q&As. Instagram has a lot of options for this. Then link resources your target audience will find useful. Create a point system where you would reward those who are actively engaging and sharing your posts. Final step is to track everything. I know we keep saying track, but it is the best way to organize all your information, like where did your leads come from? How many of them have reached out to you? When was the last time you contacted them? How many of them actually converted into clients? I made a free lead source tracker for you guys, and it's really easy to use. So here's the tracker. First name, here's my information, Christy, last name Kim, email, phone number, profile handle, meaning their social media handles. So I'm just going to use lifetimes. Source, click on the drop-down list. And I've already created you a list of website, Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, events, open houses, referrals, and other. So let's pretend we met on Instagram. So for type, seller or a buyer. Then the label, hot, warm, or cool. Status, waiting for reply, follow up, not yet contacted, ready to meet, meeting in place, not interested, official client, and then hold. So let's say you've not yet contacted me. This chart will add up the status that it matches. So not yet contacted is 1. The source also, it adds this value as well. And then this chart automatically forms once there's data. And then next is the contact date and a memo if you would like to leave one there. And then the list just keeps on going. So if your next lead source comes from Facebook, let's say you already contacted them and you're waiting for a reply, just click that. And it will automatically add up the more you fill out. So if you would like this tracker, feel free to leave a comment, email me, and I'd be more than happy to give this to you guys. And that's everything for today. Thank you very much. See you next time.